Hi, welcome to Hybiz News. This is Vijay Kumar. The OnePlus Nord marked a new direction for the company when it launched last year. The new lineup of devices marked its re-entry into the entry-level and mid-range segments. More than a year later, the OnePlus Nord2 is now on the company's release radar, and the latest report shows the unreleased phone in all its glory. The Nord2's renders come courtesy of 91 Mobiles and OnLeaks. The renders reveal the handset's design largely based on the OnePlus 9 with its rectangular triple camera setup. A couple of differences like the placement of the third camera and the LED flash modules are easy to overlook. The front of the phone has a punch-hole selfie camera in the upper left corner. An in-display fingerprint scanner is expected. Previously leaked specs revealed that the Nord2 might be powered by MediaTek chipset this year. The Dimensity 1200 is placed somewhere between or around the Snapdragon 865 and Snapdragon 870's performance in benchmark scores. The unreleased handset's benchmark run also revealed 8 GB of RAM. Thank you for watching Hybiz News.